Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick deal guide. Today we're talking about one of the most important and honestly, one of the most intimidating parts of global hiring, payroll compliance. If you're paying international employees or contractors, keeping everything compliant can feel overwhelming. But with Deel, tracking payroll compliance becomes surprisingly simple. Let me show you how. Are you ready to get rewarded? Click the link in the description and claim your $500 sponsorship today. It's fast, easy, and completely free. Don't miss this opportunity. So, first, why is payroll compliance such a big deal? Every country has different rules for taxes, benefits, employment classifications, deadlines, and one mistake can lead to fines or legal headaches. Deel takes that complexity and turns it into a clear, trackable process. It keeps your payroll aligned with local laws, mandatory contributions, and reporting requirements, all in one place. If you're growing globally, this is the difference between "I hope we're compliant" and "Yes, we're covered." Here's where you find everything. 1. Log into your Deel dashboard. 2. Go to the Payroll tab. 3. Select the payroll cycle or entity you want to review. Inside, you'll see compliance indicators for each employee, things like taxes, benefits, statutory deductions, and local labor requirements. If something needs your attention, Deel flags it with clear alerts so you can fix issues before payroll goes out. Here's what makes Deel powerful for compliance. Country-specific rule engines. Deel automatically applies the correct tax rates and deductions based on local law. Real-time alerts. NIST documents, classification risks, or regulatory updates get flagged instantly. Document compliance tracking. Contracts, IDs, visas, and required paperwork all tracked in one place. Audit-ready summaries, so if anyone asks for proof, you've got it ready. Plus, Deel updates compliance requirements continuously, so you don't have to watch every new law yourself. And that's it. With Deel, you're not just running payroll, you're running compliant payroll across multiple countries without the stress. So if you're scaling globally or just want to sleep better at night, knowing everything is handled properly, dive into the payroll dashboard and explore those compliance tools. Don't forget to follow for more quick Deel guides. More tips coming soon.